Hey guys, now let's get to work on here. I got to run with this for temporary. I drove around town and stuff. There's this sucker right here. Safety switch for the fuel. Well, that's gonna have to work. Yeah, whatever it took me to get it done. Thanks to my contact over there at Home Depot too. Let's see, try it this way. That's kind of crude. I just need to see if it'll work for right now. Alright, let's give it a shot. Oop, almost wanted to do it. Nice. But yeah, it's been washed already a little bit. So, alright. Still have that minute time thing on my phone here because of the amount of space on it, so I have to go. I'm gonna put this up. There'll be other stuff about it online later on. So you guys have a good day. And now you know how to for sure fix your no fuel on crank issue now. I'm gonna have to put that back up on the wall up there.